Is Windows 10 now a recommended upgrade that automatically downloads and installs when you're asleep, for example? Well, let's see how to handle the Windows 10 upgrade process and if we can cancel the upgrade to our systems. More and more people nowadays are complaining about Windows 10 automatically upgrading on their systems without they touching anything on the computer. And to be honest with you, basically I had an issue where a laptop upgraded by itself while the user was still using the laptop. And that unfortunately interrupted the work, and we had to wait for the laptop to finish upgrading. But what I did here is I've created a machine that I've updated with the latest updates up to today, and I've tried to almost everything to push and make the upgrade to run automatically on my system. And to be honest with you, I was not able to force any installation without my knowledge on the computer. And Microsoft are saying that they are not forcefully pushing this and it's not added as a recommended update still, but I needed to test this just to confirm with you guys. And I need to highlight something that is really important. When you receive any messages related to get Windows 10, you need to read carefully, because the messages will help you to cancel any upgrades that are automatically scheduled on your system. For example, you can see this window now, it gives me two options, and basically both options are saying upgrade now or upgrade later in this case, but still upgrade. The only option that I have to cancel this is to click the close button on the top right corner, but some people are saying that even if they close this window, it will still automatically download and upgrade the system. And you need to read carefully what it says, because even Microsoft did not make the upgrade a recommended update in Windows Updates, which will download and automatically upgrade your computer. They made few catches into their software which is upgrading your computer. That can include, for example, any tick boxes or any small written sentences saying that your computer will upgrade in a specific time, and you need to read what the Windows says, and in there should be a cancel schedule or cancel the upgrade. So you still have the option to cancel if you still wish to work with your old operating system. Is it Windows 8.1, 8 or 7? But yeah, you still have the option to do it. So what I did is I've went into my control panel, into Windows Update, and there you see I have the option to upgrade to Windows 10, and I have the option to get started. And remember one thing, a Windows 10 will not upgrade if you don't agree to the license terms that Microsoft give you. So if you see a window saying that you need to agree with the license terms, just if you don't want to upgrade, you can click to I do not agree with the terms, and it will not automatically upgrade. But if you click by mistake, or there is another catch, if for example with small sentences on the bottom it can say if you close this window you automatically agree, so you need to be careful with those windows. But in here under Windows Update I can see that I have the upgrade to Windows 10 and the option still to get started, and it will ask for my permission to do it. And if I click on show available updates, I will see that the Windows upgrade is still under the optional updates. So what I can do is I can right click on the upgrade and hide the update. That way when I click cancel, it will check for updates automatically, and it should not add you can see that you're also set to automatically install updates, but I do not have the option to upgrade to Windows 10 anymore. And if I go to my updates, you can see that I have optional updates, but the one for Windows 10 is missing. I'm not saying that this will 100% prevent your computer from upgrading to Windows 10. There are a few third-party softwares that were invented, for example, Never 10 or GWX control panel, that will remove this get Windows 10 panel completely, and you won't see, so it will block the updates and they will not be available for you. But if you decide to upgrade, you can always restore any hidden updates, and in here you'll see that I have the Windows 10 upgrade, and if I choose to restore that from here, I will have it will check once again, and it will say that I have Windows 10 available for me to update. And don't forget, even if your computer is upgraded to Windows 10, you have 31 days, according to Microsoft, to downgrade to your previous operating system. I've made a good video to show you what is the downgrade process. It's really simple, really straightforward, and you can do it in minutes. So one thing that you need to do is just when the computer is upgraded to Windows 10, do not go ahead and clean any of the system files with the disk cleanup, because that can remove the old operating system files and will prevent you to downgrade. So if you do not like Windows 10, you can always downgrade it straight away, and that way you will be with your old operating system. But a thing that I can recommend is if you are thinking into upgrading to Windows 10, you need to be prepared that not everything will work as it should, and you need to fix few things. For example, any drivers could stop work, any software, and you need to go ahead and fix it. So if you are not willing, and if you are not open-minded into fixing things, you can go ahead and just hide the upgrade, and be careful when you close the windows for get Windows 10, because that can automatically, if you accept, because Microsoft will add some tricks from time to time, and you can accept without you knowing that. So be careful with that, and you should be good to go. So thank you very much for viewing. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel, that way you will know when I upload another video. And if you want, and if you have any issues with upgrading, or if you want to share something with me, you can always do it in the comments below. I will try to answer and read every comment that is written into the channel in general. So once again, thank you very much for viewing, and see you soon.